And welcome to the super fun, awesome, happy time. It's time for some Cosmic Tremolo in the space pedal show. My name is Gabor.
Seamless.
Yeah.
Amazing. Welcome along. I'm Alex. This is the Cosmic Tremolo from Space Sounds. If you didn't get that from whatever he said, and the title of the video, that's what this is.
Yeah, we're good at this stuff.
Please hit like and subscribe for some reason, and ding the notification bell.
Yes, please do.
Ace.
Please do. So this was sent to us by the good folks at Space Sounds from right here in the land of Oz.
Yep.
Australia. And anyway, so it's basically it's fairly straightforward. It's a tremolo. You've got a frequency, which is the speed of the tremolo basically, and you've got a depth, which is it kind of dials in. It goes from a basically dry sound to a tremolo sound that's a total choppy tremolo sound. Yeah. And then you've got this switch here, which switches the speed to different speed settings, basically. And an on and off switch, and you've got your space guy.
Space guy.
And it's in a cool green. I like the green. It's a good-looking green.
Pretty cool. To hear it, we're going through the pedal via Mozztronics Amp Switcher, Cherry Turn OTS Mini 20 head, and a 2-notes Torpedo Captor external cab sims.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah.
And there's a dog.
Oh,
well, you can see the butt of a dog.
The brown dog. Should we... Oh, play, what's it called? Baritone, that's what...
Oh, baritone, yes.
Yeah. I don't play this very much, but it's a pretty cool guitar.
Well, with tremolo, it kind of sounds cool. So, clean sound, uncosmically tremoloed. It sounds like this.
Good at words today.
Yes. And any kind of reverb sounds you're hearing are from the
2-notes
Captor X.
box.
So let's put it at 12 o'clock, switch up or down. What do you reckon?
Down.
Down. All right, let's start off with that. This is what it sounds like. So up is the slower setting, down is the faster setting. It goes really choppy if you turn it up. It's super simple and super straightforward, but I kind of think that makes it kind of cool as well. You don't have options of, what kind of shape you want. Yeah. You can't ramp it or not ramp it, or it's just a tremolo.
Kind of has its own voice. It doesn't feel like any other tremolo.
No, it does sound a little bit different.
I'm not sure why.
Let me have a little go before I go with my Sunset Burst guitar by the good folks at Yamaha Australia. Big thank you to the good folks at Yamaha Australia. It's Yamaha Revstar RSS 02T. And I'm tremolonized, so I'm on the second setting from that way. So not on a neck pickup, but on what they consider to be somewhat out of phase. It's a different in-between position where one pickup is actually later than the other pickup.
Yep.
And I like it for clean sounds, hence me using it. And this is what it sounds like. Got a lot more oomph than that guitar. Kazungas. All right, let's start again, 12 o'clock. tremolos. I don't know. It is definitely a different sounding tremolo.
Like, it's quite choppy, but if you back the depth off on the slower speed, it's more, apparently more like sine wavy.
Okay. It's cool. Yeah, I like it. It's cool. I like tremolos that go really choppy. I like the choppy sound.
Oh yeah.
I like choppies.
Okay.
That's just me, but
Does get choppy.
it does get very choppy. I mean, like I said early on, it's super straightforward, but kind of cool, and yeah, like you said, maybe slightly different sort of sounding tremolo.
I'm not quite sure why though.
But it has its own kind of vibe,
Which is lovely to see.
and it's a cool green. I like that green.
It's green.
It is a nice green. So I mean, that's the Cosmic Tremolo by Space Sounds. Big thank you to the awesome folks at Space Sound for sending this up to us as well.
Done a few of the pedals. Check out the other ones. Subscribe for probably more into future.
Galactic Fuzz.
And yes, that's pretty cool.
That's the one I remember.
And yeah, cool Aussie stuff.
Yeah.
Thumbs up.
Yeah.
Thanks,
Yeah.
man.
And not super pricey either. That's the other thing. That's, for boutique handmade stuff, not overly pricey.
What do you guys think? Comments below. Also, links below to Instagram, Facebook, and a podcast if you check those out.
Yep.
Got a second?
Yep. Please do.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Thanks, folks. See ya.